What's up guys, welcome to part 4 of my rebuild. I just used the bond to change my name. I know it's probably like a waste of 3 mil, 3.2 mil, whatever it is, but I don't know, I just thought about doing something funny. What I'm going to do is going to do whatever 2 words pop up here, I'm going to make it into my name, so fuck it, whatever. Gold AIDS, oh my god. This is honestly my first time doing that, oh my god. Bear with me, I'll get that. So unfortunately, well I mean it's probably a good thing, we can't actually use that one, so let's do it again and see what happens. Pony chin, that's it, pony chin, that's fantastic. As you can see guys, pony chin is now the name, which is awesome. Let's go. So yeah, pony chin, that's the name, fantastic name. I don't know, it's really shit actually, but what we're going to do is we're going to look for Fury DH, and I think from one fight, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to buy an AGS, although buying that bond might have fucked me, but we'll find out. Got a fight against Tank Beta. 1-2-4, we've fought him quite a few times now, so I mean hopefully we could get him this time. Good fight, bro. Finally got him. Good fight though, man. Oh, I should have died that fight as well. I can't really be too excited. I mean, I am excited because I don't know what I was going to say there. Caught! So, yep, it turns out that me buying that bond and changing my name was really stupid. Hate myself for it. I'm not a worthy human being anymore. But, I mean, it's like 35 mil value there. I'm pretty sure an AGS is still 33 mil. So, I mean... 28 mil. I mean, do we do another higher risk sort of thing again? And I don't know. Oh, you'll find out. I'm an idiot. Good fight, bro. He dare, homie. I was using the wrong prayers as well. What an absolute fucking retard I am. Okay, so that was a bit over the top, not gonna lie. Yeah, I don't know. We are at an AGS and 5.4 mil. Yeah, the bank's just like a bit of junk in there, nothing really sort of valuable. But yeah, happy to say we're ending on 37.4 or 38.2, whatever you want to take from that. This might be a bit shorter than the other ones, but thanks for watching guys, and I will be back again tomorrow making the absolute gains. Peace guys.